So this is your 3-minute step test. For this, you want to have a metronome available, a stopwatch, a 12-inch bench, and then be able to find your pulse. So either on your neck or at your wrist. You can go ahead and give that a try while we get everything set up, just to make sure that you can find your pulse. If you want, you can follow along with the video. We'll time the video and you can follow along with the timer in the corner. Or you can download a metronome app on your phone, and then of course use a stopwatch that's on your phone as well. So to get started, you want to make sure you set your metronome at 96 beats per minute. With each beat, you're going to step up, up, and then down, down on every single beat that comes through. So there is your beats. Darius is going to give us an example of what that looks like. Yep. All right, so you're going to follow again with each step on each beat for a full 3 minutes for the test. At the end of the 3 minutes, we're going to have you have a seat on your bench or wherever it is that you're at. Quickly find your pulse and then count your pulse for a full 1 minute. So the number you get at the end of that minute is going to be your number that you write on your sheet for your test. So if you're ready to get started, we'll go ahead and get started. And then if you need to switch halfway through, if your leg gets tired, you can always switch to the other leg. All right, so if you're ready, sing a metronome. So notice that as he's stepping, he's making sure that his foot is all the way up on the step. That way he doesn't hurt his knees or his Achilles. And it's for safety reasons that he's not going to slide off the back of the step. But you just want to make sure you stay with that cadence, the up, up, down, down, for the entire 3 minutes. So you've got 30 seconds in, 2.5 minutes left. Minute down, so 2 more minutes. Making sure you're staying on that rhythm. And if you start to get tired, remember you can always switch legs, so you're leading with the opposite leg. Making sure you can stay up with that rhythm. You guys are about halfway through, so we have 1.5 minutes left on this test. One more minute, last minute to go. Last 30 seconds. You're almost there, you got about 5 seconds left. Nice job staying on that rhythm. And go ahead and stop. You have a seat on your bench. Quickly find your pulse, so again, either on your wrist or on your neck. And go ahead and start counting. You're going to count for 1 full minute. again, whatever your count was, you're gonna record that on your sheet as your score, and then submit that to your instructor.